Sardinians, welcome again to Sardinia in a nutshell. First of all, sorry for the delay, the mini hiatus, whatever you want to call it. I am super busy. There was Christmas and I'm overloaded with work, so I'm really sorry, but I'll try to get back on track soon after, the festivities and all that. So because I don't have much time and I need some time to actually prepare the videos for the more educational ones, I decided that maybe this time I just can get away with a little more frivolous one. So what I'm going to talk about today is the top 10 Facebook page about Sardinia and Sardinian that you can follow right now. The reason why I'm doing this video is not only because I'm really short of time, although this is the biggest reason why, but also because Facebook actually helps me maintaining my languages more or less. It helped me when I started learning English the first time I arrived here in England, and it's also keeping my French a little awake inside my brain by reading things and having, the Le Figaro in the newsfeed, and sometimes I can just read it, and so I think that Facebook could be a very good tool if we use it right. Not like me, that spends all of her time watching videos about dogs. Anyway, so let's start. So the first one is Carloforte photo. Here we have it. Carloforte is actually a very small island next to Sardinia, but it's still Sardinia, although they are a bit more from Liguria. So what I like about this page is the fact that they put a lot of photos and sometimes they go live, and so when I feel homesick I can just go there and have a nice look around. Second one is Sardinia Island, and as I'm sure you will notice, there's a theme here. I come here every time I feel homesick and just look at all these beautiful pictures. They mainly put pictures of the seaside, but I mean, look at that, look, it's just so gorgeous. And yeah, they put videos on as well, which is quite nice. And every time I feel homesick, as I said, I just come here and just have a look at this beauty. Third one is Sardinia Geographic, and again it's mainly for pictures that I come here. They are just so beautiful and makes me miss Sardinia so much, but doesn't matter because at least I can just look at it and have the best of both worlds with England and Sardinia from my sofa, which is great. But yes, anyway, it's just so gorgeous, look at that. So yeah, this is where I come again, just when I miss Sardinia. Number 4 is Heart of Sardinia, and this is actually a very interesting page because it's a page for a project, and this project is an app created by these guys here in the photo. This app will allow people to travel through Sardinia with their mobile phone, their smartphone, as their tour guide, which is quite amazing. They are doing it in different languages. I know for sure that they will do it in English, and I think in French, maybe in Spanish as well, I'm not too sure. The app is not released yet, but what they have released is a documentary about Sardinia. I am just waiting for the English sub on the documentary, and then I will do a review about it because it's just amazing. I loved it and it's just so good. So as soon as that is out, I will show you. But anyway, this is a good page to follow, not only to see how the project is going, but also for the beautiful picture. Number 5 is Nurnet English. Yeah, I'm not too sure how to say Nurnet. It's Nurnet? Maybe it's Nurnet. Anyway, in Italian it will be Nurnet. Because it's Nuraghe network or something. But anyway, this is a very good page for English speakers because it's all in English. They publish links as well in English. Some videos I've seen and documentaries about Sardinia, all in English. The only thing is they focus more on the prehistorical part of Sardinia. which is not bad because it's a very big chunk of history that we kind of lost through the years, and we're trying to reconnect all the dots now. But yeah, this is a very good page for English speakers, and so I strongly suggest you to like it and follow what they say. Number 6 is Limba Sarda 2.0, and that's a page all dedicated to Limba Sarda Comuna, I think. Pretty sure it is. Anyway, it's Sardinian, and it's pretty good because it doesn't give you the rules as much, but it the people running it actually write articles all in Sardinian. They also have in their website the option, yeah, there we go, that's the website. They have the option to change the language in Italian, so it's actually a very good idea if you have some knowledge of Italian to read maybe the article in Italian first and then read it in Sardinian, because like that your brain will have a bit more, will retain a bit more of the vocabulary. But yeah, it's really good because they don't just talk about Sardinian, they talk about actual stuff, like, you know, here they talk about religion, cyberbullying down here, and so on and so forth. Number 7, we have Règulas de sardu iscritu, which means rules of written Sardinian. And that's a good page because, as the title says, gives you some rules to, of course, Sardinian, written Sardinian. It's very good also because they post memes, or at least they try. They try to translate some memes in Sardinian. They try to create some memes in Sardinian, and that, as much as it is a silly thing to do, it's actually quite interesting how much you retain. As you can see here, we can see Leonardo DiCaprio kissing su sardu. How cool! Number 8 is Sardegna abbandonata, which means abandoned Sardinia. And it's a very, very cool page because it shows the places that are abandoned in Sardinia. And I know that's a weird thing to say, but I freaking love seeing abandoned place. It's probably one of my favorite things to watch on YouTube. And thanks to this guy, I can actually visit this abandoned place in Sardinia from my sofa, which is always good because I'm really, really lazy. So I would probably not even bother going to these places, even if I was in Sardinia. But anyway, so this is a very nice page to see a different side of Sardinia. Number 9, we've got Laura Laccabadora, and although it's a bit misleading because the name is a feminine name, the person running it is actually a guy, but he's really reserved, so no one really knows his true identity. And yeah, this page is recommended mainly for people who can speak Italian or someone who has lived in Sardinia, and or someone that is really, really passionate about Sardinia and knows a lot about Sardinian culture, because this guy makes a lot of reference to ways of living the life in Sardinia and things that really can mostly Sardinian people can relate. But he's so funny, and this page is so good, and shows a lot of Sardinian sides to the Sardinian culture rather, that I just couldn't stop myself to put it in this list. And in number 10 we've got Sardinia in a nutshell. Yes, I have created a Facebook page for the YouTube channel, and there's literally nothing there yet. But if you would like to click the little button there and smash it with the likes, I will make sure that I will put loads and loads of content, and you will keep updated with Sardinia in a nutshell, of course. So here you have it, the best 10 Facebook pages about Sardinia and Sardinian. Of course, I put my Facebook page, so I'm not too sure it really counts in the best. But, you know, if you would like to keep it updated with Sardinia in a nutshell and some cool links that I find on Facebook, please give it a like, and you always know when a new video is out. Anyway, that's all for today. I know that it's a very, very small video, but short of time, as usual. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to comment, please do, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do. Also, if you'd like to share it, you're more than welcome to do it. I'll see you next time. I'll see you. Also, because Facebook's action... I can't even speak. Okay.